Hello everyone, welcome back to Placement Buddies. Let me welcome you all to another video in this online test preparation series, and today we are going to discuss about Capgemini's online test preparation. So at first we will go through the test platform and test pattern. The test platform was Aeon CoCubes during the batch of 2021. From the pseudocode round there was total 25 questions and we had to solve it in 25 minutes. 10 questions were from data structures and 15 from algorithms. Once you clear the pseudocode round, the cutoff is not clearly mentioned, but I guess if you answer about 20 or 22 questions, it will be enough. Okay. Now once you clear the pseudocode round, you proceed further to the English or verbal ability round. There you need to solve 30 questions in 30 minutes. तो जो English और verbal ability का round होता है, वो थोड़ा hectic हो जाता है. मतलब in that particular round you need to be fast as well as attentive. एंड उस राउंड का कट ऑफ थोड़ा हाई होता है. ठीक है. ड्यूरिंग द बैच ऑफ 2021 मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स got eliminated in this particular round only. Now once you clear the English or verbal round, then you proceed further towards the game based aptitude round. The game based aptitude round is not an elimination round, to be honest. अगर आप game based aptitude में पहुंचते हो, then you will definitely go to the next and the final round, which is behavioral competency. तो आज इस वीडियो में हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे about the pseudocode round, English verbal round, game-based aptitude round, as well as the behavioral competency round. We will also see some examples and some sample questions which was asked during the batch of 2021. So without wasting any further time, let us start. At first, we will go through the data structures question. Okay. So the first question is, consider an array A equals to 95, 34, 43, 52, 61, 11 and 71. What is the minimum number of swap operations between two elements of the array needed to be reverse the array? Okay, so you can pause the video and try its solution. Once you solve this question, you will get the answer as option D, 4. Okay, the next question is, consider a directed graph G with V equals to ABCDE. There are 7 pairs of x, y of nodes such that the node X is connected with the node Y, and hence this condition. Now you need to calculate the number of simple paths from vertex A to vertex C. So pause the video and try solving this particular question. Okay, this question is from graph, right? Next, which of the following statement is correct or are correct for closed hashing? So this question is from hashing topic, closed hashing to be precise. Statement number 1, in case of collisions a unique hash key must be obtained. Question number 2, all elements would be sorted in the hash table itself. Question number 3, additional data structure needs to be used to accommodate collision data. Now you need to tell basically which of these following options is correct or are correct. Option A, only 2 and 3, statement number 2 and 3. Option B, only statement number 1. Option C, only statement number 3. And option D, only statement number 1 and 2. Right? Now next, convert the following infix expression to prefix expression. Okay, एक infix expression दिया हुआ है, you need to convert it into prefix expression. The infix expression is a plus b star c plus d. Now once you solve this, you will find the answer is option C, right? Next, which of the following relations is correct for a binary search tree? This question is from binary search tree, and you need to go through the options and you need to tell us which of the following relations is correct. Is it parent node to right child to left child, or is it right child parent node left child, or is it right child equals left child equals parent node, or is it parent node greater than left child greater than right child? Okay, so you go through these options precisely and find out the answer. The next question is, you need to evaluate the postfix expression 6523 plus 8 star plus 3 plus star. Once you solve this question, you will get the answer as option B, 288. Now we are done with the questions. There are 2 more bonus questions from the topic graph and circular queue. Due to shortage of time, I was not able to cover up the questions in the PPT, but if you want those questions, please mail us at placementbuddiesofficial19@gmail.com. I'll be sending you the questions promptly. Okay, now since we are done with the data structures part, let us discuss about the verbal ability or the English part. Okay, the first question is, which part of the sentence below has an error in it? Okay, the sentence is, it's been 5 years since I see Adam. The first part is it's been. The second part is 5 years since. The third part is I see Adam. Okay. So आपको ये बताना है कि इन 3 पार्ट्स में से इस पर्टिकुलर सेंटेंस में कौन सा पार्ट गलत है या फिर कौन से पार्ट में एरर है. सो द करेक्ट आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन ए, आई सी एडम. मूविंग ऑन, द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज kind of same. You need to find out the error. So it's basically an error detection question. He speak freely when he had drunk alcohol. So you need to find if he speak is wrong or freely when is wrong or he had drunk alcohol is wrong. So the correct answer here will be he had drunk alcohol. Okay. Next question. Mark the option containing the sentence that is grammatically correct. Okay, so basically out of these 4 you need to identify which sentence is grammatically correct. Option A, this news is appeared thrice every week. This is not. Option C, none of the mentioned options. Option D, this news appears thrice every week. No, but the correct answer is this news is appearing thrice every week. Option B, right? Okay. The next question is a reading comprehension. You don't need to worry about the length of the question. You can just pause the video and take a screenshot of this. Otherwise, you can go to the description of this video. I will attach the link of the PPT. You can access it, right? You need to go through this particular reading comprehension or this particular passage in order to answer the upcoming questions. Okay? So I will give you some time. Pause the video, go through this reading comprehension once and come back. So I hope you went through the passage very nicely. Now the question is, the author is likely to agree with all the statements given below except you need to find out कि among option A, B, C and D, the author is likely to agree to all the statements except which one. Means कौन सी स्टेटमेंट के साथ ऑथर डिसएग्री करते हैं वही वाला स्टेटमेंट होगा आपका करेक्ट आंसर. नेक्स्ट, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग बेस्ट डिस्क्राइब द प्राइमरी प्यूरी ऑफ द पैसेज. यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड बाय रीडिंग द पैसेज कि इनमें से ऑप्शन ए, ऑप्शन बी, सी और डी, इनमें से कौन सा ऑप्शन बेस्ट डिस्क्राइब्स द प्राइमरी प्यूरी ऑफ द पैसेज. सो गो बैक टू द पैसेज अगेन, रीड इट केयरफुली एंड अंडरस्टैंड कि इनमें से कौन सा statement will be the correct answer. Okay, so there will be 3 more questions from this particular passage only. Due to shortage of time I couldn't cover it, but I'll be definitely sending you those questions if you mail us at placementbuddiesofficial19@gmail.com. Moving forward, we have a fill in the blanks question now. The sentence is, Warren argued the peasants or the weaker community should devote their energies to dash. This is the first blank. Dash of political agitators in their ranks and they should always abide by the law of the land. Believing that hard work was the highest dash, Warren urged peasants to learn new technologies. This dash will be my second blank, right? Warren urged peasants to learn new technologies and he established schools and technical universities to make that possible. He assured them that if their work were perceived as dash, this will be the third blank, to society, they would eventually achieve all the rights of the citizenship. So there will be 3 questions basically from this particular question and you need to fill the correct options to blank number 1 at first, then blank number 2 and then blank number 3. So let us go through the questions. Which of these fits in blank number 1? Both gaining support and purge are correct. Option B, purge. Option C, getting rid, or 4th, gaining support. So the correct answer will be gaining support. Let us go back to the sentence. It will be like Warren argued the peasants or the weaker community should devote their energies to gaining support of political agitators. Okay, fine. Next, which of these fits blank 2? Is it all of the mentioned options, or is it temperance, or is it virtue, or is it prudence? So the correct answer here will be virtue. Which of these fits blank 3? The correct answer here among all the given options will be indispensable, right? Next, this is a separate question and is not related to any passage or any fill in the blanks type question. The question says the sentences given below form a coherent passage when arranged logically. Choose the option which gives the correct sequence. So you need to find the sequence among this. Option A, option B, option C, option D. You need to go through these options very carefully and you need to think if the sequence 1 2 3 4 is correct, or 2 3 4 1, or 4 3 2 1, or 4 1 3 2. Right? Comment your answer below in the comment section. Next, a kind of similar question only. A sentence is broken into the following parts. You need to mark the option containing the correct sequence of these parts to get the complete sentence. So basically it's about sequencing only. Number 1 part is as operating systems. Number 2 is boy and girl survived. Number 3 is of Romania and Italy. Number 4 is the diplomatic preeminence. So the correct sequence here will be 1 2 4 3. As operating systems, boy and girl survived, the diplomatic preeminence of Romania and Italy. Okay. Now this is the second passage, or you can say the reading comprehension number 2. Pause the video, go through this passage carefully and make yourself ready for answering the next questions. The first question is, the passage can be best described as, and the correct answer here among all the given options will be a treatise on the worth of financial assets. Okay. Number 2, which of the following best supports the argument that investors were foolish in buying TWTRQ shares? Go through the options, find out the correct answer. Number 3, what is the role of the first paragraph in the given passage? So here you need to go through the first paragraph only and you need to form an idea which among this is the correct answer. Now the next question is, what does the word pertinent mean in the context of this passage? Is it important? Is it generous? Is it sizable? Or is it educated? Now we have reached towards the end of this video. There is another reading comprehension which is the third passage, but due to shortage of time again I couldn't cover it in the video. In order to claim this question, you need to mail us at placementbuddiesofficial19@gmail.com as well. So that is all about the English or the verbal ability round. Now let us talk about the game-based aptitude. In game-based aptitude, these are the following topics which you need to practice or which you need to take care of before your online test. You go through this particular topics: digit challenge, motion challenge, inductive reasoning, auto challenge and switch challenge. Once you search YouTube or once you search Google, you will find many videos related to this particular topics: digit, motion challenge, auto challenge, switch challenge, inductive reasoning, etc, etc. Okay. So I recommend you to practice these topics before your game-based aptitude round. And the last round here in the online test of Capgemini will be the behavioral competency profiling. The behavioral competency profiling is basically a psychometric test, you can say, right? Here you will be tested about your confidence, your patience, your teamwork, your behavioral skills, your management skills. So go through the questions of this particular round very precisely and in detail. Okay, don't get carried out कि यार बहुत टाइम से टेस्ट दे रहे हैं, अब मन नहीं कर रहा, उठ जाते हैं, मतलब ऐसा नहीं करना है. ओके, be patient, read the questions very carefully and the options which suits your personality the best, go for that particular option only. Okay, so I hope you all can clear all the rounds of Capgemini, which is data structures and algorithms, then verbal ability, then game-based aptitude, and finally the behavioral competency profiling. I wish that most of you get shortlisted for the interview, and once you get shortlisted for the interview, Placement Buddies has already uploaded Capgemini's interview experience for both circuital and non-circuital students, and you can go through these videos, and I wish you all the best. That's it for today guys, मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो पे, बाय.